Hi, good morning viewers, and once again that you are most welcome to this video. And today just I am going to dish out for you the different structures that which will be fruitful for you, and you keep watching this video. And just I am going to prepare the lot of dishes such as and which I am going to dish out the before you, and you just keep enjoying and keep eating those all the dishes that which I am going to give you. Then today we are going to study about the miscellaneous sentence. Miscellaneous sentence, it means that a Mishrita Vakya, that which has no, that any, that a special structures, that we have to combine some words that from here there, and we have to add and we have to make a meaningful sentence. How is it suitable? Sometimes if we just think that according to this that we can sort out this sentence, but it doesn't happen. That you have to show yourself the something different there, that which will be suitable that in sentence. That is your miscellaneous sentence. And that I am going to teach you today miscellaneous sentence, and this miscellaneous sentence that tell us that how to that aid the sentence that from the different words and from the different sentences, then it will be meaningful. Sometimes that we think that this sentence should be like this sentence should be like this, but it doesn't happen. It happens something different there, and that you have to know according to this method, that where you have to use the such structures. Just we say I am ruined. I am ruined. I am ruined. It means मैं लूट चुका हूं या बर्बाद हो गया हूं, बर्बाद हो गया हूं. It means just you can think बर्बाद हो गया हूं, लूट चुका हूं. It means चुका हूं, चुके हैं, चुकी है, and गया है, गए हैं, गई है. That it is from your present perfect tense, and if you are going to solve this sentence according to that, then your sentence will be wrong. In that situations, that you have to use these structures that will be suitable in your sentence. I am ruined means मैं लूट चुका हूं, मैं बर्बाद हो गया हूं. If you are using that I have ruined, then it will be wrong, because it is into your mind that I have read या है, a है, e है, have has plus v3. But if you are using that structure, then it will be wrong here. Next sentence, the school is opened. इसका मतलब विद्यालय खुली हुई है, विद्यालय खुली हुई है. Here is also that खुली हुई है, e है is here. It is also going according to present perfect. But if you are using that school has opened, then it is a wrong sentence. That's why you have to use here that school is opened, विद्यालय खुली हुई है. Next, वह बैठा है. In English, that we have to write first of all, he is sitting. He is sitting means वह बैठा है या बैठा हुआ है. वह बैठा है या बैठा हुआ है. Just to think that बैठा है, it means आ है. It is also looking that as your present perfect, and according to that if you are making the such a sentence here, then there will be a blunder mistake. That's why it is better that don't use like that. You use that he is sitting. If you say मैं खड़ा था, I was standing, वहां का there, it means मैं वहां खड़ा था, I was standing there. खड़ा था, it is from yours that past perfect, it means आ था, या था, ए थे, ई थी. But you have not to think that the sentence will be sought out according to that methods, according to the past perfect tense. It will be wrong. That's why it is better that you have to use that I was standing there. इससे तात्पर्य होता है जैसे वह बैठा है, यानी कि हमारे देखने से पहले वो बैठा हुआ है, इसीलिए आपको जो है ही इज सिटिंग का प्रयोग करना है. ही हैज सेट बोलेंगे तो सेंटेंस गलत हो जाएगा. मैं खड़ा था, कोई व्यक्ति हमें देख रहा है और पूछने से पहले मैं वहां खड़ा था, देखने से पहले मैं वहां खड़ा था. इसका मतलब है कि आपने वो क्रिया पहले से किया हुआ है, इसीलिए आपको मैं बैठा था में आई वॉज सिटिंग बोलना पड़ेगा, और मैं खड़ा हूं में आई एम स्टैंडिंग बोलना पड़ेगा. वह बैठा है तो ही इज सिटिंग बोलना पड़ेगा, और वह बैठा था तो ही वॉज सिटिंग बोलना पड़ेगा. तब आप इस तरह के सेंटेंस आप बना सकते हैं. बहुत सारे ऐसे मिसलेनियस सेंटेंस है, बहुत सारे ऐसे मिश्रित वाक्य हैं जहां आप कुछ सोचते कुछ और हैं और सेंटेंस बन जाता कुछ और है. तो वहां आपको अलर्ट रहने की आवश्यकता है. यू हैव टू द पे अटेंशन, यू हैव टू जस्ट टेक द सम केयर थिंग्स that where that you have to manage those all sentences, where you have to use such structures by which that you can sort out such a problem that easily. Okay, thank you a lot that for today, and just you keep watching that lot of videos like that, and you will just find out the lot of structures, lot of methods that which will be fruitful for you, and it will just lead you to speak the English fluently.